Built-in light identifies corresponding HDMI devices. Easily locate your HDMI devices with a built-in light that flashes a particular color. Green, purple and red lighted cables are also available from Monster. Faster than average gigabyte per second speed. At 21 gigabytes per second, you'll have faster streaming speeds than the average HDMI cable, which only supports up to 18 gigabytes per second. Lifelike colors on your HDMI devices. The cable's 16-bit color rate creates stronger, lifelike colors on your TVs, computers and gaming devices. The results are a massive leap in quality for the average picture display. 4K resolution and speed. You'll have up to 4K resolution quality, while the 60 Hz refresh speed creates faster, smoother image displays for all your programs and devices. Connects with the latest OLED, QLED TVs. As OLED and QLED televisions become more prominent in some households, Monster is adapting to the next TV revolution. Our cables are compatible with the newest models and can support all their features and formats. Meets every standard for highest quality and safety. Monster thoroughly reviews all their cable and electronic devices to ensure they meet the highest quality standards before leaving our product warehouse. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality HDMI cables. I love these cables, and having the LED light in them helps to identify which cable goes where. I used the blue for my Blu-ray player, red ones for Roku, and green for my computer.